in half. Yeah, one of the favorite sauces. I really love it too, Katniss. And it's also good with chicken. Also pork as well. Not just beef, like they say. And Twitch lover, how are ya? Do that. Robot Coop top is down over there. We make a sauce while the oven heats up. It's Nikola Tesla's birthday today. Chimichurri chicken, or what else? I've had it in like a porchetta sandwich Greek from, does Meat and Bread still exist in Vancouver? We'll just have to wait to do this when the potatoes are done. It's just the top of the oven. Okay. Terrifying things. And yeah, don't ask me why it looks so dark in here today. We have like all of the lights on. Okay, so we put in the herbs as well as our garlic cloves to start in the food processor. And I kind of just blitz this stuff up on its own first to chop it before we make it really wet. That one usually actually throws off the lights more. Yeah, it's never good with that one somehow. It's never good with that one for some reason. They just opened another location. Ah, word, because I remember when we were there, they actually closed one. This... Victoria. Okay, I gotta wipe that lens. Like, that should definitely not be out of focus. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Let's clean the fats off. Okay, they closed one. Obviously not enough traffic there. And then opened another one. I don't know why I switched to that scene to clean it. Don't ask me why I do things sometimes.